In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check your verification status on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Once you are inside your account, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Applications to open the section where your account progress and verification details are shown. When the Applications page opens, check that the Individual Trader tab is selected. If it is not already open, click on it to continue. This is where you can review the current status of your account verification. Now look at the message displayed on the page. Pepperstone will usually show a status update here, such as a message saying that your documents are being verified. Read the information carefully so you can understand where your application stands and whether any action is needed from you. If the page shows that more documents are required, find the link in the message that says here and click it. This will open the Upload Additional Documents window. In this window, choose the type of document Pepperstone is asking for. You may need to upload a government photo ID or a proof of residence document, depending on the request. If you are uploading proof of residence, click Select Files to browse for your document on your device. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the upload area, if that is easier for you. After that, wait for the file to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete and the Continue button becomes available, click Continue to move on. Follow the remaining prompts on the screen to complete the submission process. Make sure everything is uploaded correctly and submit the document if required. After you finish, return to the Applications page so you can check your verification status again. At this point, review the updated message on the page to confirm your current progress. This will let you know whether your documents are still under review or whether any further action is needed. This process makes it easy to stay on top of your account verification and respond quickly if Pepperstone requests anything else. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.